Beneath the shimmering surface of our oceans lies a realm of mystery and wonder. The depths hold secrets that have fascinated scientists for generations, and the creatures that inhabit these waters continue to astonish us with their otherworldly features. Today, we'll dive into the top 10 underwater discoveries that amazed scientists. At number 10, we have a creature that lives in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Tube worms are astonishing creatures inhabiting deep-sea volcanoes. In 1977, a study was conducted on the hydrothermal vents near the Galapagos Islands. The vents have an unbelievable concentration of sulfur, and the temperatures exceed several hundred Fahrenheit. Scientists were stunned to discover these otherworldly beings thriving under immense pressure. These giant tube worms possess an elongated tube-like body that can grow up to 2 meters in length. Their most distinct feature is their vibrant blood-red plume, which extends out from one end of the tube. The existence of tube worms is a reminder that life finds a way even in seemingly inhospitable conditions. These deep-sea wonders also open doors to new possibilities for life on other planets where conventional notions of habitability might not apply. The giant oarfish was first described in 1772 but was rarely seen because it lives at considerable depths. This has changed. Pictures of this colossal creature washing up on beaches have emerged in the last decade. The oarfish holds the title of the largest bony fish, with some reaching an astonishing 7 meters in length. They can weigh up to 600 pounds. Covered in shimmering silver scales, these fish flaunt a fiery red crest atop their heads and tufts of the same color along their backs. Although oarfish were likely the source of many historical tales of sea serpents and sea monsters, they are hardly dangerous to people. Oarfish feed on tiny plankton, small fish, and squid. Oarfish hold great cultural significance. Japanese cultures especially consider them precursors of earthquakes. There could be some scientific basis for this belief. Scientists have explored the possibility that deep-sea fish living near the sea bottom are more sensitive to the movements of active faults than those near the sea's surface. All in all, oarfish are one of the lesser-studied inhabitants of the deep waters, and their presence has stunned scientists. The next creature on our list seems almost surreal. We are talking about the predatory tunicate, also known as Megalodicopia hyans. Tunicates are marine invertebrates found in oceans around the world. What sets the predatory tunicate apart is its enigmatic appearance and hunting strategy. The underwater oddity takes on the appearance of a mushroom, with a thin stalk supporting a cap-like head. Its appearance varies from translucent to opaque, and it can have a wide range of colors, from pink and purple to blue and green. The predatory tunicate has a highly aggressive feeding behavior. Using a specialized tentacle structure, it actively hunts small prey such as copepods and other small zooplankton. The predatory tunicate is a poignant reminder that life can amaze and mystify humans in the most unthinkable ways. The Bimini Road, also known as the Bimini Wall or Bimini Stones, is a submerged rock formation located off the coast of Bimini in the Bahamas. This formation consists of a linear arrangement of rectangular limestone blocks and concentric circles that appear to be laid out deliberately. The structure stretches underwater for about half a kilometer and has sparked intrigue and controversy due to its unusual appearance and suggested implications. This deepwater wonder was discovered in the late 1960s by an American pilot flying back from a vacation in the Bahamas. The sighting led to underwater excavations guided by archaeologists Mason Valentine, Jacques Mail, and Robert Angrove. Amidst the stonemasonry, they unearthed temple ruins. Some believe that the Bimini Road could be evidence of an ancient civilization. The even alignment of the limestone blocks has led some to speculate that it could have been an artificial harbor, breakwater, or even part of a lost city. Our journey now guides us to the intriguing tale of the Uluburun shipwreck, one of the most significant and well-preserved archaeological sites discovered underwater. It was found off the coast of Uluburun, Turkey in the Mediterranean Sea by a sponge diver named Mehmed Sakir in 1982. This shipwreck dates back to around 1300 BCE during the Late Bronze Age, making it roughly 3,300 years old. It took around 10 years and 20,000 dives to bring the ship and its contents to the surface. The shipwreck contained several astonishing riches such as ostrich eggs, elephant tusks, and even gold jewelry. The Uluburun shipwreck provides a snapshot of ancient maritime trade and cultural exchange. Additionally, the wreckage has helped historians and archaeologists refine their understanding of marine technology, trade routes, and the broader socio-political landscape of the Late Bronze Age. In January 2018, a team of divers and researchers made a remarkable discovery in Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Renowned Mexican underwater archaeologist Guillermo de Anda discovered a vast cave network stretching over 347 kilometers. Two vast caves, Zacatun and Dos Hoyos, initially caught the explorers' attention. The cave system revealed a treasure trove of archaeological findings, including ancient Mayan artifacts, ancient fauna and flora, and traces of the America's earliest inhabitants. With artifact ages spanning 10 to 12,000 years, this subterranean treasure trove offers a portal to a distant past. It also emphasizes the importance of preserving these underwater archaeological sites and highlights how much of our planet's history remains hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be explored and understood. For the fourth underwater finding on this list, we venture into the depths of the Gulf of Mexico. In 2014, scientists stumbled upon a basin brimming with a unique and dangerously salty water body. Due to its surreal and hazardous nature, the deep sea area was named the Jacuzzi of Despair. A combination of factors causes the jacuzzi effect. First, methane gas, naturally released from the seafloor, rises and forms plumes. When mixed with denser brine water, these plumes create a swirling effect reminiscent of a jacuzzi whirlpool. It is located at a depth of about 3,300 feet in the Gulf of Mexico and hosts a unique ecosystem adapted to this extreme habitat. With its toxic waters, this eerie lake holds an unfortunate fate for any living being that dares enter its depths. In 1969, a pivotal chapter in space exploration unfolded. NASA accomplished a groundbreaking feat as Apollo 11 set course for the Moon. The initial stage housed 5 robust engines which provided the initial thrust needed to escape Earth's gravity. But have you ever wondered what happened to these engines? For years, the fate of these engines remained submerged in mystery, lost to the ocean's depths. In April 2019, Amazon's founder Jeff Bezos funded an expedition to discover these 5 iconic oxygen-kerosene engines. The engines were located using advanced sonar technology and recovered from over 14,000 feet. The deep-sea environment had preserved many components of the engines, and their identification was confirmed through serial numbers and other markings. At number 2, we have a unique and innovative cultural attraction that blends art and marine life. The Underwater Museum of Art, MUSA, is located on the coast of Cancun and is one of the largest underwater art installations in the world. It was founded in 2009 as a collaboration between artists, marine biologists, and the Mexican government. The museum features a collection of over 500 life-size sculptures that are submerged in the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean Sea. The total area of the museum spans over 420 square meters. The main goal of the museum is to divert tourists away from natural coral reefs, which are fragile ecosystems, and onto artificial structures created by MUSA. And they succeeded admirably, drawing approximately 350,000 tourists annually. The sculptures are made from environmentally friendly materials that encourage the growth of coral and other marine organisms. As the sculptures become colonized by corals, they evolve into vibrant living works of art. MUSA promotes sustainable tourism and has become a popular destination for divers, snorkelers, and marine enthusiasts. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the marvel of maritime engineering, the Titanic. Spanning over 28 meters in width and stretched to a length of 269 meters, the Titanic was a floating world of luxury. It boasted opulent features such as a swimming pool, restaurants, cafes, and lounges. The sinking of the Titanic in 1912 was a devastating tragedy, claiming nearly 1,500 lives. The actual location of the wreck remained unknown for 73 years. The Titanic's wreckage was discovered in 1985 by oceanographer Robert Ballard. The discovery was part of a secret U.S. Navy mission to search for 2 wrecked nuclear submarines. Ballard and his team found the wreckage at 12,000 feet below sea level in the North Atlantic Ocean. This remarkable discovery was made possible through years of relentless searching and advancements in deep-sea technology, such as sonar and underwater photography. From colossal creatures to ancient artifacts, these underwater findings have pushed the boundaries of our understanding. One question lingers: what other incredible secrets await discovery in the vast expanse of the deep blue? That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and leave a comment. We'll see you next time.